So hello developers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about method overriding. So method overriding is basically the part of inheritance. Now, if you guys don't know about inheritance, I have something linked over for you in my description below. So you can refer to that documentation if you want to learn about inheritance, and can come back to this video if you want to learn about method overriding. Okay. So what is method overriding? Okay. Let's say you have a class named parent, and let's say your class is having some methods like init. Okay. And that init method is consisting of a self, num1 having integer 1 and 2 as 2. Let's say you have one more method over here. Okay, and what it is doing is basically adding both of these attributes. And now when I make an object out of this, like this, parent, and when I print p dot method 1, I'd be getting output as 3, hopefully. Okay, yeah, 3, because first of all clear this, and because it is basically adding 1 plus 2, and that's why it's 3. So now let's say I have another class named child. This child class inherits the properties of parent, so you can do it by this, and it has its own method named just like this. I'm copy pasting it over here, and what that method is basically doing is it's basically doing this. Okay, same like this, but adding 10 extra. So now what will happen if I create an object of this child class and print this? What would it be doing? Having the same method names over here. So which method would it prefer? Okay, so when I run this code, it's getting me the output as 30, because 1 plus 2 is 3. Along with that, when we add 10, we get 13. So basically it went for this method. So why this happened? Okay, so this is the concept. This concept is known as method overriding, wherein the child class having the same method name as the parent class's method name overwrites this method and replaces it with this. And when you call this method, you would be getting an updated form of it, which the updated form of this is basically this. So that's why when you are creating a method having the same name, just like the parent class's method's name, it is always getting overwritten. So this was a basic concept of method overriding being a part of inheritance. It is a very important concept for that matter, because if you have a parent class which is way big, and now let's say you have many methods, like supposedly if you consider this dots as methods, and now you want to update all of these dots. Okay, you want to optimize the code of this. So how you can do it is like you can include the name of these methods into this class, child class, and you can update them just like I did the method one. Okay, you can update them, and then all of these methods that you want to update will get updated over here, and you can print the output and check whether they are updated or not. So this was the basic concept of method overriding. I hope you learned something new in this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.